question here. I will show you how to test the relay of the motorcycle. Come, let us start the video. Friend, this is the relay of the motorcycle. This is the positive and negative terminal of the relay coil. These are the two terminals. There is no attachment contact between these two terminals. When the supply is inserted into a coil, the coil gets magnetized and it will the bobbin attacks these two terminals, and there will be a contact between these two terminals. If it is a worn out, there will be no contact and it will not get magnetized if the coil is burned means. I will show you how to test this coil with the help of a multimeter and a DC supply. First, let me test with the multimeter. Keep the multimeter in the continuity mode and insert the probes to the terminal. You can hear the sound, that means the coil is in good condition. Or you can set the multimeter in the resistance mode and insert the probe to the terminal. You can see the resistance, it is about 22 ohms. If it is worn out, there will be no resistance. With the help of the DC supply, you can check the starter relay coil. So I should use the connecting leads. Red is the positive and blue is the negative. I am connecting the DC supply to the terminal of the relay coil. There will be a clocking sound. You can hear this sound now. That means the relay is okay and it is in good condition. Now there is no contact between these two terminals. If we connect the multimeter probe, means there will be no hissing sound. If the relay is attracted, means there will be a sound. Come, let us test. I am connecting the supply. You can see the resistance there. See, you can hear this sound. If I remove the supply, means there is no sound. That means there is no contact in between these two terminals. When the supply is connected from the push button switch of the motorcycle, means there will be contact. Supply is supplied inside to the coil and there will be contact between these two terminals and the starter motor will run the engine. If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel.